Hi guys, what's up? Let's dive deeper into dictionaries used in Python. A dictionary in Python, as we already know from our earlier discussion on collection data types, is a collection of key-value pairs, where each key is unique and is used to access the associated value. Dictionaries are also known as associative arrays or hash maps in other programming languages. These are defined using the curly braces, and if the dictionary contains no key-value pairs, then it is called an empty dictionary, which can be created like this. Consider another example, where we wish to record fruits and their quantities. Let's create a variable inventory, and assign it a dictionary which contains 10 apples, 25 bananas, and 20 carrots. Here, apple, banana and carrot are the keys of dictionary, whereas their quantities are called the values, and that's why we call it a collection of key-value pairs. Note that, we specify the keys within the quotes, followed by colon and then the associated value. And, the key-value pairs are separated using commas. Another way to create a dictionary is using the dict function, which can be done like this. In both cases, it means the same thing. Notice that, while using the dict constructor, it will automatically treat the keys as strings, and we do not need to use the quotes, unlike the previous case. We can simply access the items from our dictionary using the keys. Say that we wish to know the quantity of bananas from this dictionary. For that, we can call the keys of dictionary like this, and the result will be the value of that key, that is 25. Let's look at another example. This time we wish to first check whether the item is available in the dictionary or not, and if it is available, then what is its quantity? For that, let us apply conditional here. It will simply check whether, say, carrot is available in the dictionary. If that's true, the next line of code will be executed, otherwise, it will return nothing. We can write it like this. And here, since the carrot is present in our dictionary, it will print its quantity as 20. Consider one more example with a list of dictionaries as shown here. Here we wish to access the value of C associated with the second dictionary. So, to do that, we need to first call the list and the index second dictionary. Now in this dictionary, we need to index the key. This will return us the desired value, which is 30. Consider our inventory again. So to access only the keys or values of dictionary, we can use keys and values functions like this. Here we are getting lists of only the keys, or the values as we desire. At times, we are also required to arrange the dictionary in a sequence. In such cases, we can utilize the sorted built-in function, which will organize the dictionary items. This function enables us to perform sorting based on keys, as well as based on the values. So, we can either sort the keys like this, or by performing sorting of the values, as we see here. Now, given the fact that the dictionaries are mutable, we have the flexibility to manipulate it. For example, we can add, remove, or modify our dictionary. Look at this case here, where we add one more item, dragon fruit with its quantity in our existing dictionary. Now when we print this, we see that the dictionary has been modified with one more item included in it. Similarly, to delete any key-value pair we can use the del function, followed by the variable name and then the key that we wish to delete in square braces. Another way to delete an item would be using the pop function, along with the key name. We can also use the pop item function to randomly delete any key-value pair from our dictionary. Now here is a question for you. Given this string of characters, you are supposed to write a program to create a dictionary of count of each character of the variable text. You can drop your answers in the comments. You can also check out the solution provided in the description below. That's it with the dictionaries for now. Please consider subscribing and sharing this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.